Sure. So, hi Rahul, how are you? Welcome to Bollywood Rubble.
Thank you, Akshay.
So, Bulbul, your latest venture, it's been great, getting a tremendous response from all around the corner. People have loved it. Since the story is, it's a period film and a fable with the shades of horror. And you play the character of Indraneel, who belongs to the Royal Bengali bloodline. So my first question would be: does it become easy for you to play the better? Because they give a lot of understanding of art, literature, music when it comes to playing the rooted characters. So does it make it easy for you as an actor to get into the character?
Because I'm playing Bengali, I think in this film there is very little of the Bengali ada. अगर अदा है किसमें तो वो पाउली में होगी, लेकिन अगर इंद्रनील को देखा जाए, ना ही जिस तरीके से वो बात करता है, ना ही जिस तरीके से वो दूसरों के साथ रिश्ता बनाता है, इसमें वो बंगाल का जो एक झलक है मुझे ज्यादा नहीं दिख रहा है. कपड़ों में जरूर, घर में जरूर, बाहर के माहौल में जरूर, लेकिन बोली में तो बिल्कुल नहीं. ऐसा नहीं है कि दो तीन शब्द वो बंगाली में कहता है, बांग्ला में कहता है, उसके बाद ऐसा कुछ नहीं. तो नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक आई एवर थॉट ऑफ इंद्रनील एज बीइंग बंगाली. मोर आई थॉट ऑफ हिम एज बीइंग अ जमींदार. उसमें एक जिम्मेवारी की एक भारीपन है, उसमें उसमें एक वो ग्रेविटी है, वो एक मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का एक जो शॉल वो पहनता है, और उसमें वो एक कमजोरी है जो हम देखते हैं. तो नहीं, अगर आपने कहा होता कि यू प्लेड जमींदार फ्रॉम पंजाब और जमींदार फ्रॉम आंध्रा, इंद्रनील वुड हैव बीन द सेम. अब आपके लेख में, आपके स्क्रिप्ट में, आपने बंगाली का जो ये है बहुत कम लिखा है. आपने दिखाया जरूर, लेकिन एक्टर्स के लिए मतलब जैसे है ही नहीं. इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट.
Okay. 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 And what was that eureka moment while you were approaching Indraneel? When did you feel that you cracked the character? A. And B. How long was it? A matter of few hours, few minutes, few days? Or what was it like?
Indraneel, we did an acting workshop. Anvita Dutt, the director, and Atul Mongia conducted the workshop, and it was just with me.
जी.
अतुल मोंगिया, अन्विता और मैं बैठे हुए हैं. अतुल कहता है कि एक कागज और पेंसिल पे आप लिखो कि इंद्रनील कौन है, क्योंकि आपके पास तजुर्बा है. So I'm not going to start acting. You tell me what you think Indraneel is like, and you tell me what you think Mahendra is like. और जो ही मैंने लिखा था, अन्विता ने वही लिखा था.
Okay.
Duty bound, civilized, quite gentle, fair-minded, patriarchal, but tolerant of women's place in society. Mahendra के लिए मैंने लिखा frozen in his mind at the age of 8 or 10, used to having his own way because लाडला है ना, जमींदार भी है, लाडला भी है, 10 साल का बच्चा है, उसे गुड़िया चाहिए, गुड़िया दिलवा दो. But his animal impulses to eat, go to the bathroom, have sex like animals. You don't need a brain for that. Your brain could be frozen at 10, Akshay, but your body is capable at 40.
जी.
तो जब वो तृप्ति पे लेटता है, the animal impulse of the 40-year-old is talking, not the child's impulse of the 10-year-old. जब वो टूट जाती है, जब गुड़िया टूट जाती है, उठो उठो उठो, वो उठती नहीं है, तो बच्चे को लगता है कुछ गलत किया है, अब तो मुझे डांट पड़ने वाली है. So the eureka moment for Indranil came during the workshop when I wrote these words down, and she and I discussed that he will always play it with जैसे दुनिया का बोझ उसके कंधों पे.
जी.
And the eureka moment for Mahendra came when I think I said khelo in the workshop.
Okay.
Bulbul. And it opened out Mahendra for me. But I will say this. I was very worried as to how I would do Mahendra. इसमें हैमिंग के लिए बहुत जगह है ना, ऐसा हो, you know, that kind of thing, which is wrong. You have to understand the character from the inside. So I'm getting the same praise for Mahendra that I'm getting for Indranil. Earlier I thought 90% I would get praise for Indranil, but now a lot of people have really appreciated Mahendra, which I'm very relieved.
Yeah, no, it has come out really wonderful. Okay, and since you spoke about Indranil being a little patriarchal, still being tolerant of the women around him, the place of women in the society, what I have observed is few shades of Indranil, they overlap with that of Manav from Dil Dhadakne Do. I mean, I can be wrong completely here, but this is what I have observed. So did you go back to your work in Dil Dhadakne Do and picked up from the residual strands to weave the world of Indranil from Manav?
Not at all. I didn't even think of Manav. Not at all. I don't do that. It's very dangerous. Very dangerous. इंद्रनील को पढ़ते पढ़ते आपको वही लगता है ना, आपको लगता ही है ना. So there is no listen, when Manav's wife says I want to divorce you, he goes and cries on his mother's shoulder, Zarina Wahab's shoulder. Indranil would never do that. Indranil has a security about himself. हमने कहा तो ऐसा ही होगा. आप लंदन जाओगे, वहां पे बहुत घूमना, बहुत फिरना. तो he's like a father. He is much more secure than Manav. लड़की से कहता है वो कि आपने तो हमसे शादी की है. देवर और शौहर के बीच में आपको फर्क पता चल जाएगा, पति और देवर के बीच में. So he's a different guy. He's a different guy. उसमें एक कमजोरी है, वो ओथेलो की कमजोरी, jealousy. But otherwise, Manav is totally insecure about everything. Manav listens to music in his car that is latest. Manav buys champagne in the nightclub that is the best brand. Manav wears the brands on his shirts because he's all about outward. He plays the right sport. कल को golf में fashion, सारे जो रईस है जो वो golf खेलने लगेंगे तो मानव भी खेलने लगेगा. So it's a different. You can't take away one from the other. But are they the two different shades of patriarchy and misogyny? Definitely.
And what was it working with Anvita like? Is she a hard task master or?
Okay, I heard your question twice. What kind of director was Anvita? So let me answer that question. Anvita knows exactly what she wants. We have discussed every single scene. We have workshopped every single scene. So on the set, zyada nahi. She doesn't want you to improvise on the set. All the improvisation has been done in the workshop. All the rewriting has been done. थोड़ा बहुत 19-20 का जो भी है वो होता है, वो सेट पे होगा, लेकिन no major rewriting. Only one scene that I wanted to play differently. She had written no words in that scene. She said, I think that this scene should have no words. And I was very surprised. Was the scene where he goes into the bathroom and he beats up Tripti. I thought that there would be a scene there with जब वो कुछ कहेगा, Tripti से कुछ कहेगा, कुछ पूछेगा. But then she removed all the words. And we had a disagreement. I said, I think he should say something. She said, no, can you try it not saying anything? तो इस पहले अपर्णा सेन और जोया के साथ सिमिलर सिचुएशंस हुए थे और तीनों सिचुएशंस में मेरा कर्तव्य बनता है कि एज एन एक्टर आई हैव टू ट्राई द डायरेक्टर सजेशन. उसके बाद अगर वो नहीं वर्क करता है तो मेरा एक सजेशन है. तो तीनों में मैंने डायरेक्टर का सजेशन पहले कोशिश की. And in all three cases, the director was wrong. Zoya was right, Aparna was right, and Anvita was right. So with her, it was, is she a hard taskmaster? No. She is, every director, no director I've worked with is a hard taskmaster. Hard का मतलब कि आप कर रहे हो. The work is already over. अब magic होता है. Good director will do the workshops, will do the rehearsals, सब कुछ हो गया. अब सेट पे आके जो आपको लगता है सेट पे यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे कुर्सी है, यहाँ पे बंदा है, यहाँ पे लाइट है, उसके बारे में आप करो. बाकी तो हमने सब कर लिया.
Okay, so I just wanted to know if you.
I heard the question.
Okay.
I don't need my acting to teach me about how to become a better human being. With my 2 NGOs, with my having played rugby for India for 11 years, with my work on gender equality, both my NGOs don't work on gender. Indirectly, they work. With my having traveled this country and seen corners of this country that nobody will see in their lives before, again, ever. With me traveling to tribal villages, with me traveling to 7-star hotels, I live life deeper, richer, and braver than anything that cinema has taught me. I take my life into my cinema. My cinema doesn't tell me about life.
Okay. Cool. So, yeah, that was it. We had a wonderful conversation. Thanks a lot for talking to us, Rahul. It was a pleasure.
Thanks a lot, Akshay.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.